I think I know one.
Why am I always put with this card? I was put with this card last time. Okay, apparently, what describes me as a brain tumor. I'm a brain tumor. Oh man.
I should have used one of my best cards during that.
Matt The Mutt here, and I'm with these guys. Well, half of my dog pound. We got Luke the Medic and Arcane. What's the latest bullshit that's been troubling the quaint fantasy town? Oh my god.
I'm giving Matthew a run for his money now that I actually got some good cards.
Oh my god.
When I'm a billionaire, I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate. Wait! Oh my god! I don't know!
We got Brady in the world. Lugia, quit dying.
Oh my god.
Quit dying, Lugia. Jesus. Yeah. Bill Clinton always wins.
I can't believe Alex is using blank to promote House of Cards.
Yeah, what is they using? What's they using? What's they be using? Lugia, quit dying, man. A cat video so cute that the oh my god! A piece of shit Christmas card. No money. I can't quit tying you, man. I can't quit tying you.
Honey, mommy and daddy love you very much, but apparently mommy loves blank more than she loves daddy.
Yep, that makes sense. This is not a Geico commercial. God damn it. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a
child.
Oh my god.
I wish I could do this so bad.
I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a guy, I'm cute.
A little bit sadder than tough. Eating your curds.
What else was she eating? Lugia right off the back with a card. Eating her curds and eating the last known bison. Oh god. Okay.
Class field trip was completely ruined by...
Oh man, that's horrible. I'm running out of good cards. All the single ladies. I'm sorry, Miss Chen.
I'm sorry, Miss Chen, but there was nothing we could do. At 4:15 this morning, your son succumbed to... Dude, oh my... I have so many good ones to list. So,
yeah, that makes sense. I'm telling you, I'm running out of good cards. Get ready for the movie of summer. One cop plays by the book. The other one interested in one thing. The DiGiorno Oreo pizza, though. That's what let me. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is really okay. This is a hard decision. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If it all let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Yes.
Oh my god. That was hard. Oh my god.
Puberty is a time of change. You might notice hair growing in new places. You might develop an interest in blank. This is normal.
If you don't understand this meme, you're stupid. You don't know what getting up in the crossfire is? You're an uncultured swine, man. Oh.
Dear Mom and Dad, camp was fun. I like capture the flag. Yesterday, one of the older kids stopped me about Blake. I love you.
Hey,
Oh,
Lugia.
I had so many good ones.
Wow.
I played your white people card on you, bro. Oh my god. Alright, I'm the card czar. This is your captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelt and prepare for... Brady, you do not read unless you're the card czar. Or for Gavin, because he has a really bad cough.
This?
No, don't do it for me. I like reading them.
Okay.
Oh, I had a better one, but I didn't pick it. Oops.
Oh.
In return for my soul, the devil promised me blank, but all I got was blank.
Yep, that pretty much sums it up. Yeah! I gotta beat Brady, he's beating me. No. Stay back, Arcane.
To prepare for this upcoming role, Daniel Day-Lewis immersed himself in the world of...
That card, Lugia. I love your card. I love your card. That was actually really, really good. Oh, man.
wait, oops.
Oh, during Picasso's often overlooked round period, he produced hundreds of paintings of... what did he, hundreds of paintings of what? Sad hand job. Yep, that's good. That's good enough for me. Sand hand jobs.
Before blank, all we had was blank.
Oh my god. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes.
Yep, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know.
We're evenly matched. Who do you think's whose is whose?
No, my mind just went completely blank here. I literally do not know.
Who do you think whose is whose?
Yes!
No! 69-6!
I feel Matthew would have picked the Nicolas Cage because he's a brony. But...
I'm not that much of a brony. In LA... Oh, wait.
In LA County Jail, word is you could trade 200 cigarettes for...
Oh, wow. This is straightforward and perfect. told you it was perfect. But the thing is, the downside is you don't know whose boobs. They never discussed if it was a male or female. No enforcer wants to manage the panel on. The panel of one. I spat on my screen. Okay. Edible underpants. That's like the best. No, never mind. That's horrible.
After Hurricane Katrina, Sanpen brought blank to all the people in New Orleans.
Yep. Yeah. I win. I'm catching up. Arcane, I'm catching up. Swiggity swooty, I'm coming for that booty.
Y'all ready to get this started? I'm Nat Cannon, and this is America's Got...
Oh god!
Oh my god, if I...
Yes! Aww! America's got my collection of high-tech sex toys!
I'm sorry, but his was true, at least.
Oh! What don't you want to find in your tiny...
If only I had grandma for this card.
Oh yeah! That's what won you last time. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I remember this card was played before, and actually someone did say meaningless sex before.
Bill.
And this...
Wait, Lucas.
In the distant future, historians will agree that blank marked the beginning of America's decline.
I don't know, I just threw away a card that actually went with it. Yep, let's do it. Oh my god.
That'd actually be pretty much true.
A romantic candlelit dinner would be incomplete without... Oh! Why couldn't I have got this one?
If you have more...
I don't know.
Ah!
Oh
I laughed so hard my side hurts. Ah! Oh, I got a pain in my side.
I'm sorry. It's that.
Dang it. I'm losing now. Where did that go so wrong? I mean, I already had another card that I could have used. Flash speed prevents 10 pictures of blank that look like... Oh my god. We need a winner. A long time winner. Pictures of a grumpy old Harrison Ford who wants to be doing anything else. It looks like a madman who lives in a police pocket gets that whipping. Oh my god, okay. That's some story there, mister. I drink to forget.
I drink to forget.
Yep. I would drink to forget this. I would definitely drink to forget this. Yep, I wouldn't want to drink to forget that. No! Why? What, you want to remember swapping bodies with your mom for a day?
Hey baby, come back to my place and I'll show you. Oh my god! Why do I have to be this Zarfless? Why?
I don't have anything good.
Alright guys, I'm just telling you straight up, I'm telling you right now, one of my cards is literally on it, it says a bitch slap.
Oh. Alright. I threw away a card, I guess. In a way. You typed that! He had a free card! Oh my god! You had the free card, didn't you?
Yup.
You lucky bastard. Brady's over there dying.
Oh
The Winky Lenny. Behind every powerful man is blank. What is behind every powerful man, man? I don't know. I feel like it's this one.
I can't get over that mouse dick. I can't get over.
My country, tis of the sweet land of blank.
Yep. My country is. I need to get my points back. I don't think.
Dude,
this is
that was a
working.
throwaway card, to be honest.
I actually tried.
What does Dick Cheney prefer? Mate, I got a good card for this one, but I'm gonna start.
Snotsicles.
Notsicles and such.
Shiny objects.
I don't know what he prefers. I don't know. Guys, why you put this difficulty on me? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch, take a bite, so every hour, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yay! I won!
Honestly, I would have probably went towards the shiny objects anyways. But I don't know.
Oh man. When I'm in
When I'm in
prison,
prison,
I have
I'll have
blank smuggled in it.
blank smuggled.
What? Oh. Oh god!
Wow.
I love this dude so.
Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II.
Because all you need is Arnold Schwarzenegger to be in there and he'll be like, get to the chopper! And you guys be running
The
off.
votes
The
are
votes are in. The new high school mascot is.
God damn it, I don't have anything. Boom.
Go on. Take the money and run.
I don't have anything. Yay! I won.
Who helps Obama, or what helps Obama unwind?
Yep.
If anybody has a Michelle Obama, it's in the bag.
Now, if I can just add in debt under $1 trillion, that would make sense. No, that would actually wind him up. What's that smell?
What's that smell?
Brady, what did I tell you about not reading my cards? Clams. Attitude. No, he just has one more to win. Oh no. What's this one?
What do old people smell like?
Yep. Yeah. Oh man.
Patient presents with blank. Likely a result of blank.
Yep.
A best rub so huge it tears the star of the thunder to reveal the face of God.
Oh,
Result of
really?
incest. Presents with an interracial handshake like the result of separate drinking fountains for dark elves. God, I don't know. Oh.
Just don't choose the one that's
No, it's
I wanna miss thing.
I'm still alive.
You.
This game will go on forever. Can't let Lugia get that
What's the
last
crustiest?
one. What's the crustiest? Alright. You gotta tell me which one's Lugia's card.
Kind of a throwaway card, so
Well, they're,
I don't really have any good cards anymore.
I'm guessing the 3.7 billionth of evolution is your throwaway card.
Yeah.
But you gotta think, it is the crustiest, because all the layers of, rocks.
True. You stole the cookies
You stole the
cookie
cookies from
jar?
the cookie jar.
Oh, crap. I don't know. I don't have cards.
I literally have nothing for this.
We gotta keep from Gavin from winning. Lugia must not win. Yay! I'm catching up. Please give me something that can beat out. Oh.
Blank may pass, but blank will last forever.
I
I have a good one for this.
hopefully I can beat out his.
Sure, family may pass, but loading from previous save will last forever.
Not always, not the loading files.
Anything may pass. But unlocking a new sex position will last forever.
Yeah! I live! We live! We can't let Lugia win! Holy crap! Someone else, anyone.
Alright, bros, our frat house is condemned, and all the hot slam pieces are over at Gamma Feet. The time has come to commence operation.
Operation what? God damn it! I have 2 good cards now. Please let me survive. Arcane, tell me your card. Brady, please tell me the pretty princess is yours.
No.
God damn it! I wanted to use this one that was Moses gargling Jesus' balls. Why? Blank, root is blank.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's